A very beautiful day to you guys out there. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zionhublogistics and you are reaching me live on my YouTube channel. And if you find yourself watching this video, you must have been having issues in creating your Taobao account. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a verified alipay account, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Taobao account without any stress and in just a minute. So if you want to, the first thing you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like one of my videos or you are new in my YouTube channel, I beg you to subscribe as you are watching this video. So let's dive into the video of today. The thing you need to do is to go to your app store. If you are using Android or you are using iPhone or tablet, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Taobao. So this is the spelling of Taobao. So you search for this app. We are going to be needing just two tools. So this is the Taobao, should in case you don't know the logo and all that. So this is the design of the iOS version. So the second app we are going to be making use of is our Google Translator, because this is what we are going to be using to translate it. But if you are using a Android to watch this video and you want to translate, you can simply download iTranslator to translate everything. But in this case, we are going to be using our Google Translator. So I will need you to download these two apps. So this is the Google Translator and this is how it looks like. You can see it. The first one here is what I'm talking about, right? So by the virtue of you downloading this app, this is what you are going to be getting here. So this is my Taobao account. All right. So what you want to do after downloading successfully, you click on this app. So it's more like 1688. So this is what you are going to be getting for the very first time you are visiting this website. So for the very first time, this is what you are going to be getting. I told you we are going to be making use of our Google Translator. All right. For a better understanding, I'm going to be taking you a step-by-step guide. So I promise not to make this video a very long one. So I will screenshot this page now. I've already screenshot it. Then we go to our Google Translator here to see what they are saying. So I will picture search. So you see the way I'm doing it now is a very simple process. I believe this is what they are trying to tell us. Dear, thank you for your trust in Taobao and all that. I believe this is just a welcoming stuff. So you just click on agree. I already know all this, but just for you guys to understand. So I click on this orange icon here. Then you give them the access to send you notification. Then this simply means in form of their terms and condition and all that. So let me just translate this page for you to see. You can see right here that it is saying that optimize personalized products and all that. So you just click on continue as well. So you just want to click on continue here and you give them the access to the webs and all that. You click on allow. So clicking on that will take you here. You can see that it is more unlike 1688, their brotherhood site. And one thing I love about this app is that you can make a purchase with your Visa card. If you are not having your alipay linked with this site, you can just make use of your Visa card directly, and you can make use of your MasterCard as well. Do you get it? So I believe with the $20 limitations, you won't be buying nothing less than $20. But I think I can recommend a card for you if you are interested in buying more than 1,000 worth of products on this website by using your card if you are not having alipay. So once you have been able to reach this page, I congratulate you. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this last icon here. You can see the first one with logo of Taobao, the second one, third one, fourth one, the fifth one, which is the last option, is what you are going to be clicking here. You can see that I've already clicked it, and by the virtue of me clicking it, it takes me here. And what I want to do now is to screenshot and translate for you guys to understand. I already know what this is like, but I need you to understand it into details. So you can see right here that it's telling me there, welcome to login, not Taobao, register. Then you can register with your name. If you want to register manually, if you are not having a Alipay, verified Alipay account, you can make use of this option. Maybe some other days I will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to do this. But if you want to connect your Alipay directly, I believe this is the safest option. If you have a, and it is for those who have a verified Alipay account. And for those who does not have a verified Alipay account, I'll be doing a very special video on how to register successfully without you using your Alipay account. So this is what we are going to be using. This option of Alipay login is what we are going to be using. Do you get it? And for those who don't have an Alipay account, I recommend you to follow this prompt here by clicking on this option, register now, not a Taobao account. Just click on this register now. So you can see that I've already translated it. So let me go to this page here. So this is, I believe I have taken long to come back. So you can see right here, so this orange icon here under this black is what you are going to be clicking on if you want to register. So we are going to be using our Alipay. So before now, you should have your Alipay ready. Please, as you are watching this video, I beg you in God's name, please just subscribe. If you are watching my YouTube video, if you are coming across my YouTube video for the very first time, by you subscribing is encouraging me to do more. And please like that video so it can prove that it can increase the SEO of this YouTube channel. So whenever others are searching for a related video like this, they will be able to, YouTube will be able to recommend my video to them. I beg you in God's name, please. So let's continue, guys. So before you do anything, you need to click on this icon here. You need to check this box. Okay, let me say it that way. You need to check this box. So you can see that I've already checked it. It's marked under this Alipay logo. Let me uncheck it again for you to see. So you can see right here that I've unchecked it and I checked it again. So you click on this Alipay, and clicking on it will open your Alipay account directly. So clicking on it will take you here. You can see that the Alipay has logged in and it has redirected me to Alipay. It's telling me to use my Alipay to log in directly. So what you want to do here is just to click on agree, right? So I click on agree. So you can see that it has redirected me to the bot. And luckily for me to do is just to log in directly. You can see right here that it has automatically logged me in, and it has already linked the both accounts together. So that is how to connect and register Taobao successfully with your Alipay account. So let me just screenshot this page for you to see what this page really looks like and translate it. So let me go to my translator here, then I translate this page for a better understanding. So you can see right here that he's telling me to set my Taobao nickname. You can just write anything you like there. You can use your username, you can use your personal name and all that. So in this order, you can see that this first one here is a pending payment, and the second item is to be delivered. So this pending payment simply means that maybe you've checked out a product before and you did not complete the payment. It will be showing on this pending payments. And this second one, which is to be delivered, means you have paid for it and the supplier have not yet to deliver it to the warehouse address you dropped. And this to be continue, to be received, simply means that you have paid it and is on transit, like is on transport to your warehouse address. The supplier have already shipped it down to your warehouse address and it has not getting there. Do you get it? And the next one is evaluation, the report, comments on the transactions. Do you get it? And the last one here is refund after sales and before sales. So in my coming videos, this is what I will be discussing on how you can create a Taobao account without using your alipay, and all this after sales evaluation, and to be shipped and to be delivered. This is what I'll be talking on. So let me quickly go back to my Taobao account. You can see by default now I have already gotten my Taobao account, and you can see right here that, let me screenshot this. So for a better understanding, I love to be a very straightforward person, so you can get everything right. So you can see right here that payment can still be played like this: fingerprint, face payment, and all that. So if you want to reject it, if you want to make payments in fingerprint and all that, you can just click on experience it now. But if you don't want to use that, you can just cancel and reject it. So it's for you to just activate it. You can click on activate. If I like, I will activate it, and if I don't like, I will just reject it. So you can see right here, these are the options and the pages for me to do that. So let me just go back. You can see right here that these are the options on how you can then another beauty part of this thing is that you can also picture search. Do you get it? So in my coming video, this is what I'll be showing you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for staying behind. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I trust you guys that you are going to subscribe. So I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.